Kintsugi, also known as kintsukuroi, is the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery by mending the areas of breakage with urushi lacquer, dusted or mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. Legend has it that in the 15th century a Japanese shogun, Ashikaga Yoshimasa, broke his favorite Chinese bowl and sent it China to be repaired. When it returned to him repaired with ugly staples, he commissioned Japanese craftsmen to find a more flattering method of repair. Thus, Kintsugi was born, and the practice became part of Japanese culture. The Japanese embraced Kintsugi as a beautiful statement of restoring broken things and giving them new life. We break frequently in our lives, and we desperately try to hide the bruises, cracks, and scars caused by this. But we cannot go back in time, or be fully restored to the way that we were. Just like kintsugi bowls, however, we can honor our brokenness and transform it into strength through our attention, creativity, and compassion.